We were drifting without meaning, lost between the highs and lows. Then your voice